Sabi nga, kaya kayo't matuturing kayo sa buhay. Minsan, wala rin masamang makinig sa mga payo ng nakatatanda sa atin. Ang nagbibigay ay muling makatatanggap. Ay sinasabi ng mga matatanda yun. Pag mas maluwag kang nagbibigay, maluwag ding bumabalik 10 folds pa. Kakagastos lang natin ng 42 million. I would like to welcome again the GSIS family. Halika po kayo. Sila po ay magbibigay sa atin. May utang pa tayo sa kanila, ha? Pero baligtad. Bibigyan po tayo ng 81,342,580.52 pesos worth of insurance claim. Kakagay bilang natin. Dumoble pa yung binigay natin. Wala pang 5 minutes. Kaya kayo, lagi kayo magbibigay sa kapwa. Malay ninyo. So anyway, to the GSIS family, Attorney Jason Teng, Executive Vice President, and General Manager Jose Arnulfo Wick Biloso, thank you very much. Nagulat ako dito nung sinabi sa akin to last week. Pandagdag. Pandagdag sa increment, sa SRI, sa PIA, lahat. But anyway, palakpakan natin ang GSI. Paul, entrega ko na. Sakto. Konti na lang. So, muli, special mention lang, longest in service, Mr. Roman Bandin from CGSO, who served 44 years and 9 months. Retired last February 15, 2020. 44 years. Tinalo niya na ako. I've been serving you for the past 27 years. Pagka na-disgrasya ko, abutin ko pala, no? 35. But anyway, good things come to those who wait. Many more things that we are going to do. We need a lot of patience, discipline on both, on how to efficiently collect taxpayers' money. And I hope we continue to enjoy the growth the way we had a growth. In just 6 months, we grew by 9% based on efficiency. And I hope, with your help, to all of you here, we can achieve the same numbers or more in terms of growth with regard to efficiency. And rest assured, wala tayong gastos na pawarde-warde o walang kapararakan. I will make sure of that. We will spend on things that will address MBN for purposes of service to the people, minimum basic needs, housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Then we will address your need, hopefully cross finger, walang tabla, kundi updated And this year, our direction, finally, we have finished already the plan last week. We will try, because last year, we have accommodated 48% of the 11 billion commercial obligation done in the past. So that's about 4.8 billion pesos. But this year, hopefully, we will limit addressing previous obligation. Bibigay pa rin tayo, pero kakaharapin na natin na ang ating buwanang tustusin ay napapanahon. Ibig sabihin, so not to incur current obligation by addressing previous obligation. So, don't get me wrong. We will continue to address previous obligation, pero i-minimize na natin because as much as we did last year, lahat minantikaan na natin. Ibig sabihin, wala nang natabla halos sa lumang obligasyon. Ngayon naman, moving forward, current obligation, recurring, will be confronted and still pautay-utay sa previous obligation. Don't worry about our bank loan because the bank loan has already its own reference of income or share or payment. May pinagkukuhanan na siya. Kaya buong kababaang loob, andito ako sa harapan ninyo ngayon, nakikisuyo ko. Unawain natin ang ating mga taxpayer, give them special attention, make them feel that worth every penny ang binibigay nila. Pakitunguhan natin sila ng maayos. Tulungan ninyo ako. Basta pipilitin kong magbuti. Mag-iinam ako. But I cannot do this without you. Kaya guys, boys and girls, especially the girls who are beautiful employees of the City of Manila. Kita nyo, Vice Mayor, ang ganda-ganda oh. Tama yung Kursial Alfonso ko, may asin pa. I need you. Help me. Let's revive. We can do it. We can do it. With your help. So muli, mag-iingat kayo. Isang linggo na naman ang paglilingkod sa ating mga kababayan. Hangad ko itong linggong to, malusog kayo at ligtas. Alagaan ninyo ang inyong sarili. Tandaan ninyo lagi, habang tayo naglilingkod sa taong bayan, may mga mahal kayo sa buhay na naghihintay sa kanya-kanya nyong tahanan. So, maging ligtas at pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong may kapal. Maraming salamat po. Manila! God first!